Hi, here I am in Tuscany Subdivision in Fayette County, Lexington, Kentucky, and I just wanted to give you a quick tour, virtual tour of this wonderful subdivision. It is one of the newer subdivisions in the Hamburg area. It's right on the edge of Fayette County at I-75, and it is really a nice subdivision of custom built homes. There's several builders over here in this area. The homes in this area are mostly new construction right now that are for sale. It's a very desirable area, and people aren't moving quickly, and when they do, it sells pretty fast. So the selection over here is mostly new construction, and you're looking at price ranges of 400,000 and up to 800 plus for some of these homes. They're close to Hamburg area. It used to be part of the Hamburg farm that's been developed over the last few years. I've just been fascinated since they started this subdivision at the beautiful homes and the quality over in this area. Here's a new home that just got completed. It looks like they don't even have their grass growing yet. It's so new. As I turn the corner here, you'll see just some more of these nice stately homes. Again, like I said, I'm in the Tuscany subdivision in Lexington, Kentucky, the Hamburg area. It's Fayette County. These homes are just really nice. The custom features of them you won't find in some of the other subdivisions, especially the older ones. These homes also, when they start building them, it's just I think most of the builders over here are building for specific floor plans and things that their clients have asked them to build. Some of them do build homes to sell without having a buyer immediately, but it sure doesn't take them long to locate one. Sorry that it's a little bit cloudy today, but it's still a beautiful area, and I just wanted to give you the opportunity to see it. If you have any interest in what's for sale over here in Tuscany Subdivision in Lexington, Kentucky, please get in touch with me. My number is 859-229-5945. You can reach me by email also at Shari, Shari, at realestatebyshari.com. I'm a real estate agent with Keller Williams Greater Lexington. Our office is over here in Hamburg, right behind Malone's. But I wanted to give you an opportunity to see what's going on over in this area of the market. And, I would be glad to give you the statistics in the area. If you have a home over here and you've thought about selling it, I'd be happy to get with you and just talk about what the market's analysis would be, or the real home value that you should be able to obtain if you were to sell it. Like I said, homes are selling quickly. As we're coming up here, you can see the beautiful trees and the fall colors. Isn't that spectacular? I just really enjoy driving around over here, and being in real estate, I'm always out looking to see what's going on, and so I can keep my my clients informed and the public informed of what's available. This is, like I said, it's located in Hamburg. It's right off of US 60, and you can actually, if you wanted to go shopping, it's within walking distance, but it's just a very short drive to just about any of the large package stores like Walmart, Myers. There's Lowe's and several of the other stores in the shopping center. If you want, clothing or home decor, this is just very convenient to get to just about anything. And then if you wanted to get out on the interstate and go north or south, you could pick up 64 and go east and west, and you're just a few minutes from that. I'm still going through here and showing you the beautiful trees. I just think they're gorgeous. Look at these beautiful brick homes. They've got some nice facing on them. Here's some one with a wrought iron black fence. I'm sure that probably, more than likely, I would expect that they don't allow privacy fences because it would cut down on the beauty of the neighborhood and being able to see it. But I hope that